Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please try and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So I'll be showing you how to make a kimono jacket with this Ankara. So in this here I'm using 2 yards of 100% cotton Ankara material. So just fold it like I'm doing it here. Fold it into four. So the next thing is to do is to mark our starting line. That is from there we'll take our length. So the length of this jacket is just the length of this fabric. I'm using the whole length of the fabric for the length of the jacket. So what I'm doing now is to take my measurement, my shoulder measurement, which is 18. That is what I want. Now from there I will mark down to my bust point. I collected 10. That will serve as the sleeve. That is where we put the sleeve. Because remember, the kimono jacket, there's some you see that has sleeve, separate sleeve. While this one, I'm doing it cut together. So at that bust point, I'm taking my bust measurement, which is divide by 4 is 11. Then I'm adding extra 3 inches, which will make it 14. So from there, you just give it a curve. So the next thing we're going to do now is that 14, we take it down to the length of the um, fabric. We take it down, we just measure 14 down. Also, if you're making this jacket, you can take the fullest part of your body. Like if your hip is bigger than your butt, you can take your hip measurement, divide it by 4, add allowance, which will serve as the main size of the jacket. So we are done imputing our measurement. That is just all we need. The next thing I'm going to do now is to cut. So if you do yours exactly as I did this, you'll get the result I will get in this jacket. You'll get exactly the same result. So the next thing you're going to do now is to cut the neck part of it. So I collected 3 inches for the width of the back neck. Both the front and the back, they are 3 inches. Then the depth of the back is 1 inch. You can make 1.5, but you can take 1.5, but I collected 1. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut our front neck. I separated the back from the front so I can cut the front neck. Now from the shoulder you mark like 10 or 11 inches down. Just use your ruler, slightly connect it. Just give it a V shape. Then the next thing you do is to just cut it open because you know the front is open. While the back is unfold, the front will be separate, will be open. And that is that for the cutting. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is to cut the pockets. I've already cut the pockets. So this is our pocket. I'm just putting one pocket by the side, at the right hand side of the jacket. So the length of the pocket is 10, while the width is 8. And the rope. So for the rope, I'm using 5 inches. I'm using 5 inches or 4.5. You can make 4.5 or 5 inches. So by the time you sew it, you have 2 inches remaining for the rope. So I'll be joining rope at the sleeve and the neck part of it. So the next you're going to do is to arrange it the right side facing each other, both the front and the back. So you head over to the sewing machine and join the shoulder. So I'm using pin to secure it so it doesn't shift. So I've gone ahead to join it both shoulders. So the next thing I'm going to do now is using that 5 inches we cut earlier to join to add to the sleeve. So the sleeve now it was 18 before to be like 20 now after adding the this rope. So 18 plus 2 will make it 20. I'll head over to my sewing machine and sew it as I'm showing you. So I've done that for the both sides. The next thing I'm going to do is to join the rope to the neck part of it. So I've gone ahead to join rope to the neck part, and this is what we have here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to join the both sides of the jacket. Join the both sides. After joining the both sides, fix the pocket and sew the down, like fold the down part of the jacket. And Tara, you're good to go. It's that simple, right? So please, if you have not subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please get me to 1k subscribers, please, and turn on the notification bell so that I'll be notified when I post a new video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to combine two colors to make a jacket, like two different colors, two matching colors actually, to get a nice beautiful kimono jacket. So stay tuned, please. So to put the pockets, you measure from your shoulder to where you want to the length where you want to fix the pocket. So from my shoulder, I will take 18 inches. I'll mark 18 down. Then from the middle, I'm taking 2 inches. I actually marked 3 at the initial time, but the 3 was far from the middle. So I'm collecting 2. 2 is okay. So using your pin, you secure it and head over to the sewing machine and sew. So this is the final result of this is the result of all we have been doing here. Isn't this beautiful? So if you do exactly as I did in this video, you get exactly the same results. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'll show you how to combine two colors to get a beautiful kimono. And do well to turn on the notification bell so I'll be the first person to be notified when I post a new video. Bye.